This reminds me of my childhood medicine. It smelled so good, like I wanted to eat it, but obviously you shouldn't eat this. Like, I don't know. It used to smell better. I've changed their recipes these. It's not as nice. It used to smell good. Refreshing. Not good for the hair though. It doesn't do my hair well at all. We get frizz. Oh. It's alright. Not a strong fragrance, but it's nice. Ooh. It smells like most of the Cantu products. They have that smell. You know what I mean, right? That smell. It's not bad, but it's not exactly good either. On Jackies. This is pretty much finished. Well, there's some. It doesn't smell like anything, but I remember this on my hair when I did it. Oh, whoo! I like the smell. Okay. This smells good. I don't know. What does this smell like? I don't know. What does this smell like? Not Vaseline, but like it's a very faint smell. I can't quite put my, what is it? Honey? It don't smell like honey. I don't know. It's all right. Not bad. This smells good, this. There's hardly anything left. That's how good this is. Fresh. It's like quite a fresh smell. Woohoo! Smells good. Smells really good. What flavor is this?